The reopening of schools is upon us, and at this stage, registration for children should have been completed. But for those of you who have yet to finalize your child's schooling for the new academic year, here is some useful information.
When thinking about getting your child into a school, the first step must be to research and decide on a school with options for your child. This could be a school that is close to home, offers homework services, and extracurricular sporting, cultural, and academic activities.
Once the preferred school has been chosen, you need to make an appointment with the administrators. Parents and guardians need to attend that meeting armed with some important, accurate information about their children. This information should be clearly written on the registration form if your child's prospective school uses such a document. For children entering early childhood or primary school, you will also need to have the following documents.
Parents will need to have available birth certificates, the child passport or the immunization cards, and they will be required to visit the school and complete the application forms themselves. If they are not available, then the guardian or someone they nominate can do so, but they must be given written permission.
These documents are also required for students entering the secondary system who have gained their placement by way of the examination process. In addition, they will need to take in a medical report, which can either be conducted at a health center or by a private medical practitioner. Parents and guardians will also be asked to provide details of any physical disability or challenges that the child may have.
You see, at the outset, we would want to identify those factors which can mitigate against their performance in schools. So difficulties with hearing or sight must be addressed. We only want to get an indication that this is the case where we can have proper assessment done so that the effective remedial actions are taken.
Now that you have identified a school for your child, talk with the administrators and handed in the required documents along with the registration form, the school will then notify you to say whether or not your child was successfully registered and has gained a place at the institution.
But remember that even as we guide you through traversing the late registration process, registration should ideally begin as early as March to ensure your child gets a space in the school of choice and to give you more time to have them prepared for the new school environment. So don't delay. Get your child registered in school because every child can learn and every child must learn.